I wanted to share my version of the Shabby travel journal. So this is the cover. I use these metal corner protectors. Has a placket on the back. It's tied closed with a ribbon. And this has 4 signatures inside. So inside the cover, we have a little pocket where things can be placed. The first signature and this has a pocket. Here's a pocket with a little notepad. I left plenty of places for journaling and photos. There's another little pocket here. This is also a pocket. Another pocket here. There's an envelope. And that's the end of the first. Okay, the second signature. There's this little tuck spot with this, and I did put lines on the back of that. Lots of little places to write notes and whatnot. Several tags, and then behind the tag holder, there's also a spot to slip things. So there's a little ephemera in there. Another pocket with an assortment of postcard ephemera. Some more tag pockets that are open at the top to allow you to slip little things in there. And this is a fold-out section. It's got some tags in the front, and this has a slanted pocket as well as the tabbed pocket. Then when you open it, then there is a little pocket here. Then you flip this one back. There's a couple of tags in a pocket here. You flip this down, and there's a little ephemera in the pocket there. There's also a pocket across and a diagonal pocket there with some additional postcard ephemera there. Another little tag pocket that is open so that you can slide something in from the side or the top here. Another little pocket with a little book. And this one has just some lined paper in it to journal some notes. Then I also put in this writing card so that you can place it under your page that you're writing on to help give you a smoother surface. And that's the end of the second signature. The third signature, there's a pocket here. And this one is primarily the pages with room to journal about different locations. And then in the back of this one, there's another little book. And it's got a little pocket here with a little tiny envelope with some stamp ephemera inside. There is a covered paper clip here There's another little tuck spot here with an envelope with some little tags in there. And then there's one of the little petal envelopes here that opens up, and I tucked a little ephemera in there. And I put three little charms on the ends of the strings that I had used to bind that one, and that's the end of the third signature. For the fourth signature, there's two tag pockets here, and then I did use some vellum in this one. There's a little pocket here. There is a tiny little book, and it is all just lined paper inside, and that is tucked in a little pocket. And then there's a lot of spaces in here for just writing and pictures. Another pocket here. And then here is a little tuck spot with another book inside. And this has some of that printed vellum as well. There's a little tuck spot here. A tag pocket. And another one of the petal envelopes at the back. And a couple little tags tucked in a pocket here. And then at the very end, there's another pocket. And I did emboss that pocket.